First, get the line tool and pressing Alt and Shift make a line. Now pressing Alt get a copy. Now press the Ctrl D and make a copy. Now select all, go to object and group. Now select and right click, transform, rotate and copy, and select this and right click, transform and reflect and copy. Now select all, get shape builder tool and change the color. You can control plus zoom in and control minus zoom out the screen. Now draw the like this. Now get the direct selection tool, pressing shift, select this all. Now group. Delete this part. Now select all and erase straw. And go to object, expand. Now select all and pathfinder tool and unit. Now change the color. Okay. Now we can add gradient. You can save file, export for screen. Now you can open the Photoshop mockup. You can download this freepik.com. Now add the logo to here. Go to file and place embedded. Select the logo. You can save, go to file and export export as PNG. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment below. See you next video.